Hey students, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a wall in your shipping container and divide it into different sections so you can literally delete portions of your wall, allowing you to open up an 8-foot section into a larger space. It's really easy. What we do is with our architecture tab and our modify tool, we take our wall and we select it. Once we do that, we're going to come up to our tools and we're going to look for this teeny tiny little button right here that says Split Element. Click on that and select that tool. And then using your measurement tool, you can split any element exactly where you want it. I'm going to split that right at 12 feet and I'm going to split it at another 12 feet. Now that I've split it, did that one disappear? See, I'm going to hit escape and I should be able to select just that one portion and then watch, delete. I'm going to do the same exact thing on this other exterior shipping wall. I'm going to grab my split element tool, but I better grab my wall first. So I'm going to grab my wall, split element, and I want to line it up with this one. I'm going to line it up with this one. I'm going to hit escape 2 times on my keyboard. I'm going to select that wall and I'm going to hit delete. Now this didn't quite line up, but that's okay. I can fix that up later. It purposefully didn't because of the location of this wall. If I move that wall a little bit this way, or look at, I can move it right there. It's really close to being lined up. I'm going to call that good. And now I have this opening. It doesn't look super epic when I'm on my flat point of view, but if I pop over to my 3D view and I click on my house, you can see that that entire space opened up. So all of this is just one big open space, which is really awesome. When I'm designing a home, I want as much open space as I possibly can. I'm going to do the same thing with this wall. So my kitchen is totally opened up to my entry/living space. So let's do it again. I'm going to grab my scroller and just pan on my screen. And I am going to actually take this wall right here, and because it's just its own wall, I can delete it. My floor sits underneath. I'm going to take this wall, and I'm going to extend it to here. Come on, wall, you can do it. Well, let's hit escape. All right, so apparently my extend tool is not wanting to cooperate with me right now. So I'm going to learn a lesson and I'm going to remind you to just never be afraid to do Control Z and undo your work. Boom. So now I have that wall back. I'm going to come back to that wall later, but I am going to cut this wall open with that trim tool or that split tool. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to grab my split tool again and I'm going to split the wall right here. And I'm going to split the wall right here. And I'm going to hit escape 2 times. I'm going to select the wall. And I'm going to hit delete on my keyboard. Now I'm going to have my kitchen space, which is going to be laundry room kitchen, all the way open up to my living space. I'm going to be adding in a door here into my master area. And I'm also going to be adding in a couple of interior walls. So I'm going to grab my architecture tool, add in my wall tool, and zoom in. Wrong way. And I'm going to go end, same thing here, end. Don't worry, I did not forget about this big portion of my home. I just don't want to have that part of this room because this room is really big right now. It's plenty big. Next time you see this, I'm going to have a bathroom in here. I'm going to have a closet in here along with a nice way to enter in. And in our next video, I'm going to show you some other cool features.